It's 6:30 a.m. and Sarah is up for a new day and new challenge. Even with a 9 to 5, she is determined to lose some pounds. She starts her day with a stretching routine to promote blood flow and sheet positive energy throughout her body, which is very crucial to tackle on her mission. She goes straight to make her healthy breakfast. I see a lot of women skip this meal so they complain low energy, rather keep it clean and nutritious for better kickoff. Sarah at her desk, drowning in emails, sipping coffee emails, deadlines, back-to-back meetings, no time for movement. Or is there? Before you grab that cookie, drink water and wait 10 minutes. Hunger or habit? Healthy eating isn't about restriction.
Energy
It's
crash.
about smart
It's
choices.
not coffee you need. It's movement and hydration. 5-minute reset equals better focus. Fewer cravings. Try it.
After coming home exhausted, Sarah says no to excuses and does her workout for 20 minutes. Dance, lift, or walk. You win by showing
When
up.
she finished the workout, gets a shower, she enjoys cooking her healthy dinner. Even she is not a good cooker, but she enjoys and loves what her hands create.
Dinner hack: high protein, low stress, fuels recovery, prevents cravings. Laying on her bed, she pulls the journal and starts reflecting, writing or planning for her better tomorrow. It was a long day, but for Sarah, working on her goals to improve her life has never been a choice and won't be. Reflect, reset, and repeat. Small wins add up. Challenge: try this routine for a week and comment your results. Join the challenge, share your progress, and let's build this journey together. Lily's got your back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment the word "in" if you accept the challenge. Thanks for watching.